Hello YouTube, how y'all doing out there? Today I just want to show you guys the Kia Optima 2013. You can hear some the steering wheel is rattling when I'm on high speed. You can listen to that. So when I'm on high speed it's rattling, even though I try to hold it real tight, you can see it's just shaking. So you can hear that noise coming out from there. Well, in the video today, I'm going to show you what exactly is wrong with it and how to fix it. Can you hear that sound? You hear the sound coming out from it? So I'll show you guys how to fix that. So, even the steering wheel, when it stops, it shakes. I will show you guys how to fix that. Alright, follow me as I do it. Hello YouTube. Today, I'm doing a video about my Kia Optima. The steering wheel shaking, so this is the piece I'm about to change. I'm about to change this piece because when I'm driving, the steering wheel shakes and there's a well knows that come out of it. So as you can see, this is 2013, so I've done so many works. You gotta take all this thing out, be able to get into the bolts. The model I'm trying to work on is down there. In order to get to the boat to the model, you have to take all this thing out, so it's going to give you a lot of room. So, just follow me as I proceed. Follow me as I proceed. This is Johnny. So, follow me as I proceed. This is Johnny. You gotta take your time in order to get it. I mean, because there's so many bolts. You don't want to break anything. You want to make sure you're doing the right thing. You don't want to break anything. So the odometer, I'm going to take it out. Over there. Take it out. It's out. Basically what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get this steering wheel down there. So wow. You can see the shakes. There's a lot of walk though. It is a lot of walk. So you gotta take your time in order to get it done. Take your time in order to get this done. advise you, if you can pay professionals to do it, it's better because it's a lot of work. You gotta take time. You gotta be confident in what you're doing. That you know what you're doing. That you can do it. If not, there's so many bolts you're gonna be taking out. There's so many bolts you're gonna be taking out. So, you see what I did? I dropped everything. All the steering wheel is down. Because I'm trying to get this motor right here. I'll show you guys the motor. That's where the piece that's causing the steering to shake, that's where it is. I'm trying to get this. I got 3 bolts on them that holds it. You can see the bolt. You got 3 of them. The T, 1, 2, and there's one on the back that I'm trying to get to. So, as you can see, if you're going to pay professional to do it, I'd rather advise you to do that. It's a lot of work. I'll tell you the truth, man. But if you're confident in yourself, why not? Give it a shot. Do it. But if not, pay someone to do it for you. Pay someone to do it for you. I'll tell you the truth. Pay someone to do it for you. I'll show you guys when I'm about to replace the parts. Guys, in order for you to get this bolt right here, you need a T30 socket. See, T30 socket. In order to get to it, I have to run to Home Depot real quick to get it. So that's it. You want to make sure you don't strip the bolt because they're going to be going back on it. So there's just 3 of them. 1, 2, and there's another one in the back. So I'll let you guys see it. Once I take the motor out, when I'm replacing the part, I will let you guys see it. So guys, I was able to take the last bolt out in the back. It's always a pain in the butt though, because you can't see, you gotta feel it. Look at it. This plastic, you can see how it looks like, the brand new one, but you can see what I got in there, right? That's the plastic that goes in the motor, so it's broken. That's why. See, I want you guys to see it. So, compared to the new one, that goes on here. This is the difference. You all see the difference, right? So that's what I got in the motor when I open it up. That's why the steering wheel was shaking. Yeah, so what we're gonna do before you put a new one in there, you gotta blow all this thing out. Take it out, all these remnants from the old one, you take it out so you can replace it with the new one. So that's the problem right there. So just gotta put all this new one back, and that fixes the problem. So yeah, that's although it's a pain in the butt to actually get to it though. So like I said, if you have to pay a professional to do it for you, I'd rather advise you to go ahead and do that. But if not, you can do it yourself. It should be between 2 hours. You know, at first I thought I have all the bolts I needed, all the nuts, all the drill, all the socket I need, but I have to rush to Home Depot buy some more stuff. So this is it. And I bought this part for $4 on Amazon. This part is $4 on Amazon. $4. But if you have to pay someone to do this for you, they'll probably charge you $400 or $500 because they're taking all the steering motors out. Everything got to come down in order to get to it. But if you got to go to Kia to do it for you, Kia will going to charge you to the Kia. Let's say $600. Yeah, and the part is just $4. Can you believe that, right? I'll install it, but I have to blow this away. Make sure it's clean, then I'll replace it with a new one. Alright, guys. Give the video a thumbs up. Just go back in it. Just go back. I'll probably put it on You just go back in, you know, like clockwise or anti-clockwise. You go back, close it back, you put all your bolts together, the bam, that's it. Guys, after installing the piece, now you can see I'm moving the steering wheel. It's not shaking anymore. It's not shaking the way it is anymore. So all you just gotta do is to put the steering wheel back, couple everything back, the odometer put it back, everything. After all that, the steering wheel should be good. That solved the problem. So that's all you gotta do. In the motor, by the steering wheel in there, that you gotta change that plastic. Once you change it, that noise should stop. Okay? Alright, just give the video a thumbs up, like and share, and also please subscribe so you can see many more videos like this in the future. Alright, thank you guys. I really appreciate this, right? And thanks for watching.